Okay, YouTube, welcome back. I want to thank Airbrush for sending us out the I-BEAUTEE Airbrush. Just got this in the mail and I'm excited about it. It is a newer airbrush. Let's open this box. The only thing I've done is charge the battery so far. So that's it. That's the first time I've taken the top off. This is what it looked like. All I did was charge it up. Haven't opened it yet. It has the instructions. It has the actual battery to the airbrush. That looks like, oh, just the on-off switch. So the only thing I've done is charge it up. So I took it out and plugged it up to my USB charger that I have over there. So I pressed the button a few times too. So it has a high and a low mode. We got our airbrush 2, trigger 1, so that's exciting. It has a little cap on it, so we'll see what it does. I'm going to take this cap right off. I just kind of pulled it off. It's got a large container with a cap, thankfully. I don't know the official name for this. I don't know if it's like a reservoir or what. Oh, it's got both of them inside of here. So there's a smaller one and a larger one. And there's a cap for it. I think it snaps in there. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, there's a bigger one. Okay. So I don't know if there's a medium one somewhere. I got a small one and a large one. Oh, there's a tiny one. Okay, now I'm a little confused. So there's a large one. There's the medium one. And I don't know what it's supposed to. Don't mind the color enhancements on my hand. I was just trying out a couple different ones. Here's the charging cable. I use a different one, but this one should work. Plugs into a USB port. Set that aside, set that aside. Take this trash. Cleaning brushes, eyedropper. So I am going to go ahead and screw this onto the top here. Boom, that looks cool. I like that it fits, I like that it screws on, it feels pretty sturdy. This is the one I use with my big compressor. This one feels more sturdy. I gotta do the thumb thing. This right here, I can go ahead and just spray the way that I need to. If this works the way it's supposed to, this is a super simple setup. Feel the air coming through, so that's good. I don't know if you can hear it, it's on high. And I'll bump it down to low. this up and test it out. What I'll be using it for is for barber color enhancements. So this one is color mixed with alcohol. It's diluted a little bit more for a cordless air compressor, not the one that has a little bit higher pressure. So we'll try this one and see what happens. I haven't made any adjustments. I'll just put a little bit into the compressor. I'm gonna turn it on high. Oh wait, let's put the cap on so we don't spill it. I should have used a paper first, but we'll see. Oh wow, that's really smooth. So this is like a quarter of the way. Do some really thin lines. So that's on high. Here, I'll show you. I actually feel like I have a lot of control with this. I'm not a professional airbrush artist, but I enjoy this. Let's see. Okay. We're gonna go up to a little bit thicker solution. This is one that's been pre-mixed. This is one that I really like. This is Black Gold. So by Rich Cell 7. Let's turn this off. I guess I could put it on low. It's on low. Let's see what it does. Turn it all the way off. I'm gonna make sure I got this all the way out of here. Just on my black towel for now. This is alcohol. Make sure we spray the rest of what we have out. So you can see that went in a little bit thicker. That's because these are professional color enhancements and they're designed to go through an airbrush. This one is a lot nicer than the one I had before. So now let's see if we can still push this through. And it is very nice. That's because I did it really thick. That's great. So pushing the thicker ones through just as well. See if it works on low. That's because I put a really thick material in here. I expect something with a really high pressure to be able to push this through. Well, overall, I really like this, especially for a mobile unit. So I'll take this on the road with me. But I'll probably use this in the shop too. I don't know if I can adjust the top, but it just feels like I have a lot more trigger control, and it comes out in a really controlled fashion for laying on color enhancements, which is what I'll be doing with it. And I like that this doesn't spill. So thank you for sending this out to me. I'll get this posted and I'll like the product. So stay posted. Let me know if you have any questions about this airbrush or about airbrush air tools in general for barbering. Cool. Thank you again. All right. Bye.